There we go.
Right.
It's mini. Oh fucking hell, here we go, right turn. Overthinking it. Let's see, sometimes it's for a piece of piss. The other times I just can't fucking get it.
I think you overthink it.
Aye.
Then you make a shop's front of it,
Aye. I like me with John Sue like this.
Aye.
Pressure, just have a wee.
Exactly. A wee 75-mile trip. Just a wee warm up. I wonder what they're actually doing, if they're fixing that wall or what.
They're fixing that there. They're upset.
That poor crow was there the last time. I think it's broke its wing, yeah.
I think its wing's fucked, but you see its wing, so I think you did.
Oh well, that'll be some Fox's dinner tonight, no doubt.
Yep, something like it.
Poor crow. I'm not a fan of them, but I didn't like seeing any animals injured.
Oh, yeah.
No, just stay on this road.
Alright.
This will take you right up to Hillend.
Oh, it's your fault.
I don't know how many times I've been up and down this road. I've been up and down with buses, coaches, HGVs, cars, motorbikes.
That's the first time I've used 60.
Oh no, I've used it most of the day.
That's the I-60.
Yeah. I've even driven the things.
Yeah, I've driven there.
Like Manitos, dumper trucks. Yeah.
GS.
Right, one of the new ones, that's a 1300 one, eh?
Yeah, that's the black one, eh?
And we got a flash. It's not true what they say about these GS boys, eh?
Aye. That was a bandit.
I miss my bandit. Well, mine wasn't really a bandit, eh? But it was a bandit. But
That was a Triumph bandit.
that's been sold now, that bike.
Is it?
Aye, Cooper's never had it long. Aye.
It's a good neck, to be fair. No, it's really well kept, so
Yeah.
it'll be ready as good condition as that.
No, well serviced as well. That was serviced, well, in my ownership. I think I done 3 services on it. 6,000 miles and 3 services. I think I done it every 2,000 mile. And I done all the fluids on it. I done the brake fluid and the clutch fluid. All the fluids got done. Done the spark plugs on it at 12,000 and the air filter. But I didn't know that you had to do the valve timing at 14,000. I thought it was 40,000. Unless that's a Honda.
Or the valve spaces.
Aye, because you're taking 500 quid off me at the trade-in for that, eh?
Yeah, because that's expensive, but you get fucking done. Valve spaces.
I thought you're joking. You went, nah. I says, well, if I knew that it was to get a valve clearance at 14,000 mile, I says, I would have done it, eh? But it's just a check, eh?
These are done at 7.5.
Are they? Aye, but we'll need to get these. We'll need to get the valve check done at Suzuki to keep our warranty, though, won't we?
Yes. So, they'll tell you when it's due anyway. Yeah, we put it in service, they'll tell you when it's due.
That's the big one. What's that? 500 quid that service?
Yes.
Fuck.
Yeah. But you get that done, you don't need to get it done to, I think it's done 20,000 next month.
Aye.
Then you get, I think it's 10.5. and it's just a check really, and then it's out to needed, but most of them need it.
No, I very much doubt they would need it.
Yeah.
I mean, I can deal with that sort of thing myself, but if I do it, then I didn't get the warranty,
Yeah, but service up, I get it.
It's only 500 quid, it's not the end of the world, is it?
Yeah.
Mind you, in saying that, that's a new helmet,
Yeah, it's keep your right.
Aye.
The bit of the hamstring thing, it gets fixed.
Aye. Yeah. Aye, because if we get it serviced there, we get the 7-year warranty, don't we?
Yes. It's got a 3-year warranty, but if you get it serviced there, every time you get it serviced there, then an additional year's warranty up to 7 years.
Yeah. I'll just get them to service it once a year as well then, and obviously do my servicing in between,
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to service it. It's the service it, we get around change the problem change.
Aye.
But then it will be going back and then go back again. It's like service. Now, if it's been 7.5 by then,
Aye, which it probably will, the rate we rack the miles up, John.
I'll get it at that point.
I might not be far behind you.
I think this is the dirtiest I've ever seen my bike. I wasn't clean it.
I've only washed this bike once, John.
I think I've washed this about 30 times.
I've only washed it once. Yeah, it's not really got dirty. Because it's all been dry roads it's been on,
I just like keeping it spotless, you know.
Just I've oiled the chain about 30 times, Because I'm a bit of a freak when it comes to chain maintenance, But if you look at the chain on the Honda, there's absolutely zero wear on that. You wouldn't think that chain's done 13,000 miles.
Yeah.
There's a lay-by coming up, I think it's on the left.
Yeah, it's...
Pull in there.
Yeah,
Aye. I'll get a push. I'll just go into the bush. What are you doing now? Your lights look alright.
Aye. Well, I've done them on the thing in my garage, I've got them level.
Aye.
And they're about that much below the beam and about the same on either side, so they should be pretty.
Aye, it should be pretty bang on. Aye. Looks alright.
I'm also going to get myself one of them.
What?
The jackets you've got.
Oh aye, I'll see if I can find a link for it. I don't know if they do that, I don't think they do them anymore, I've had this a few years, but...
I like the material that's made out of camera.
Aye, it's really comfy, It's cool as well, There's no big lining and all that in it, And then you've got the hood on it and all, so if it pisses with rain, And it's quite casual too,
Yeah.
If anything, this is maybe just a wee bit too neat on me, Sure I maybe got the size up, but...
Aye.
I like my clothing to be tight on me,
That's because you're a fat bastard.
I'm getting there, my God. Did I tell you about that guy that I seen in Edinburgh the other day there on a 125 with a full leather suit on?
Aye, it was far too big for him.
Aye.
Aye.
Christ almighty, I mean if he came off that and rolled a bit, he'd break his arms and legs, so they would just get tangled up.
Aye.
He'd end up getting tangled up inside his suit. No that you can go that quick anyway on a 125, certainly in Edinburgh. But I was pissing myself, I would have taken a picture of it, but I was in the works van at the time, so...
Oh, alright.
Can't use the phone in the van, Well, not to take pictures anyway, Aye, Carlops, Nice wee town this.
Yeah.
Hamlet. Not the cigar. And just like that, we're back into Midlothian. Easy peasy. So I got the grass cut yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? And this morning got the hedge cut at the back.
Oh, you just got fishing bait.
And the wife's like left lane. And the wife's like, what are you cutting the hedge for? I says, well, it's going to piss down the night and all weekend. I says, and that hedge is going to grow arms and legs as soon as water hits it. So I just want to get on top of it. To be fair, you only need to cut that hedge maybe 3 times a year, tops.
Hedges go like fucking in.
Aye.
In the summer, if we get a bit of rain, just fucking sprout like fuck.
It got out of hand, it ended up being about 30 feet tall, so I had to borrow my mate's chainsaw, and cut the fucker in half,
I'm going to the battery of the hedge cutters if you've ever been playing.
I've got a powered one, and I got it for a few years ago, because they wrote to me and it says if you don't spend anything on your card, you're going to lose your account, You're going to shut your account down,
Alright.
I thought, oh fuck, I better buy something then, And I was looking through the website, I didn't need anything, I don't need anything. Then I thought, a hedge trimmer. So I typed in hedge trimmer and the hedge trimmer came up and it was only 60 quid, I thought, well, I'll buy it and they'll pay it over three instalments, interest free. That was what I done, just to keep my card going, I'm nipping to Esso up here,
Okay.
I'm down to 1 bar plus my red light. You'll be about the same.
I've got 2 bars, 83 miles.
I've got 61 mile. Maybe you've got a lot more miles than me.
I'm a more conservative rider.
My MPGs went up to 67.2 on this trip.
$66 exactly.
I was at this junction a couple of years ago, 2-car RTC,
Radio on.
Oh, radio off. Hey, Cardo, radio off.
Radio on.
Be nice to her, I should tell you to fuck off.
Aye, I'll not say that word. It was a 2-car smash, and one of them is a Land Rover, and that was on its roof.
I could easily nip down the inside of these, like.
Yeah.
They were nearly there anyway, aren't they?
Aye, it's just through these lights, which are new.
It's on your side of the road?
No, it's on the right. You'll need to turn right.
Oh no, right's fine, right's fine. It's fine when I'm doing this, is when I come to a junction.
Aye, well you turn right coming out it or no?
I'll fucking manage. It's only sometimes, I don't know why.
You'll be fine.
Let me in there. Cheers.
Thank you. It's only these back pumps that I've got super duper,
Oh, this isn't good,
Aye,
fuck.
It's the back ones,
Oh, alright, is that what you were saying there? Aye, right.
Aye. Done. Thank you. You have a safe journey. Yes, I will do. Thank you very much.